Hello guys, welcome to Austin Global Cosmetic and Skincare. I told you Christmas is around the corner. Alright, if today is your first time coming here, I say very big welcome to you. Okay? Please don't forget to subscribe, like and click on the notification button. Here now, place where you feel learn better things, how to make lotion, how to make soap, how to your skincare routine and all that. Okay, now you see this obonge, you see how in fact I won't show now how to make this lotion, because the DM I get this period, I find out that a lot of people really want to learn how to make lotions. All right, now this lotion, what it does is this. For some of us that have this, we'll be following how to make whitening, but when we finish doing the whitening, we end up having our skin getting red. So maybe you must have missed one or two formulas or two steps about it, I don't know, from wherever you went to learn all that. So but this now, I will show you how you to make the whitening product in a very mild way with a particular lotion, then how to premix it, then also to control it from not giving you that redness. So this is like a body butter, but it's not body butter. All right, like a body butter, but it's not body butter. You have always, when you use it, you have this sensation, this feeling like it's a body butter, but it's not. It's a lotion that you can use morning and night, afternoon. It has no side effect, and all of the additives we will add in it. Are you getting me? We always put the right additives to avoid every redness, avoid every skin irritation. And then again, the good news about this lotion again is one stone to kill 100 birds. You can use this cream, this one we want to produce, for your face, for your body, because how we are going to make it, that is what I want to show you now. All right, we've already made it already, so I have to show you every ingredient, every additives I use, so let's begin. Now you put your base inside a bowl, put a 500 ml base. It all depends the quantity you want to use. Hear me well. It all depends the quantity you want to use. Now put your base, or if you don't have a base, like me, what did I use as my base? Now let me show you what I use as my base, because it's very good I show you all these things. So now I will use Yori gluta injection as my base to make this. That's what I use to make this lotion, Yori gluta injection. Guys, let me tell you, we have a lot of different company producing all these things. So if you don't know the original one, please don't go fall a victim, because this lotion is very good, but a lot of people fall victim, So this is how it's being sealed, this is how it's being packaged, Yori gluta injection. All right, another cream that you can use for this lotion again is Mother White. You all know Mother White? Okay, Mother White lotion UK by Evo. It's the one that is being produced by Evo, or you can just use any Evo lotion. All right, we have a lot of Evo lotion. I love Evo lotions a lot, Evo product, you understand? So we use this Yori gluta injection to produce this. Now you can use whitening base cream or egg yolk base cream, okay, or you just use only this. Like me, I put 4 spoons of egg yolk base cream here. All right, now I put this one 500 ml. All right, you can use 500 ml, you can decide not to use 500 ml. Make sure this one is not up to 500 ml, but you can add any other, you can make your egg yolk base cream to complete to make 500 ml, or you can get open two of these, 2.5, or whichever way. Just try to make it 500 ml. All right. Now, don't forget, it has the beautiful thing about this lotion. That's why I said it's morning and night and every time, and it's face and body. That's what we want to do now. The good thing about this lotion, let me tell you, it has SPF 50. It's not for a lotion. SPF 50. Come on, you can bask under the sun. And also, when you go sit down under that sun, no. But if you just bounce past, you know, it doesn't have any side effects. Unless not the fake one. If not the fake one, it will burn you. It will burn you. It will darken you. To do a lot of things. To cause you, like if it is fake one, it will cause you eczema, ringworm, lakba, all joint. You understand? But if it's the original, come on, let's be sincere. Really talk about it. So you use this one. I'm using this one. Rather, I used one of these plus the egg yolk base cream. Fine. Then after that, and I put my whitening crude kinakol. This whitening crude kinakol is actually named as Dubai crude kinakol. We have different type of crude kinakol. We have the regular crude kinakol everybody use to control stretch mark. But this one is Dubai whitening crude kinakol, which is this. Very, very effective. Very, very effective. You have a good smell. You can use it alone. You can decide to use it. So I use this one 50 ml or gram, whatever you might say, but 50 is 50, just as this. Are you getting it? Then I use it. I add to this. I put it inside my lotion. Then again, I now brought out this stretch mark oil. This stretch mark oil is very, very good. Let me show you. Very, very good. I brought this out. You know, you see, so that you will see it very well. You see it now, and I add this one 2 spoons. Okay. Now, after I must have done that, I brought out my concentrate. I added this gluta plus kojic extra forte. Alright, I put 3 spoons. Please, so follow me attentively. And I put this my magic force. I added one to it. Are you following? Now, because this is very good for your lotion. It will help the body to tone, because there are a lot of concentrate that we do use, serum that we do use. They just put it tones, it doesn't tone, and also it repairs the body also, as you see. Are you getting it? It's very good. So now I now open my face cream, La face cream. And I added this. All right, I added one. Now I added this one, this 5 days extreme. You know, I added this, one of these inside. Good. Now I put my Snow White powder. This Toa Snow White powder, small, like it's not even up to a gram. I put small, very small. Okay. Also, sorry to say, I also added my salicylic acid, small, very small, not up to a gram. Also, are you getting it? Fine. Then a quick one. These are my tubes that I added. These are my tubes that I added. You can see Amos White and glutathione injection. Glutathione injection. This one, the blue one. You all know this. So I put one spoon of it. One spoon of it. 1 spoon of this. 1 spoon of this. Fine. Now I now put my. You all know this glyceptine. Yes, it's a Shenick product. And I put my glyceptine. Okay, I put my glyceptine. Fine. Then my glycerin, don't forget, lest I forget, my glycerin is 1 spoon, right? So to control everything, and I put my this Dr. Skin Acne ample, and I put 1 ejection. I added 1 ejection. Don't be scared. Don't think, oh, then your face is there, my face is sensitive, or because of the additive. Then again, let me tell you, I didn't put this. What is it called? I didn't put aloe vera. But if you want to put aloe vera, fine. Are you getting it? But with this alone, can control the redness also. Yes, can control the redness also. And with this also, it can control the redness 100%. In as much as whitening control redness too. Now, then the number 1 obonge thing I want to show you is this concentrate. This is the concentrate I told you about. Snow white concentrated oil. This is it. Please don't joke with it. If you've not gotten it, go and get it now. And it's only seen, this particular one is only seen in Austin Global Cosmetic and Skincare. That's where you can see it. See, let me tell you, this oil, 100% sure, 100%. It's thick. When you see it, it will be look like a cream. It's not. It's the same as the way you see all this concentrate, right? All this concentrate, they are thicker than this, but I tell you, it controls a lot. It controls stretch mark as well. It controls green vein. Everything. Then it tends to whiten you. In as much as you fade off green vein, it will whiten you like 7 shade over 7 shade. All right. So because we already have our SPF in it, so there's nothing for you to be scared of. That is going to burn you. No, not at all. So we've come to the end of this class, end of this lesson. Are you getting? You can name it whichever cream you want to name. You can name all of it the way you want to name. But don't forget, we offer training. You can register with our school. Are you getting? Nationwide? You can register. We can train you via one-on-one through WhatsApp or Skype or via Zoom. Are you getting it? So if you want to buy organic skincare, or you want to buy cosmetic or ingredients, anywhere you are, you can place your order. Original ones, things that you will use, they will work for you, not fake things. So because we've got a lot of fake products. There's something else I'm telling you guys I'm doing right now. How to remove your stretch mark, how to peel off your stretch mark in 3 days. That will be coming in 3 days. That is coming on its way. Where we succeed in that experiment, I will bring it to limelight for you guys to see. That is pending. We are working on it. So please try to understand this. We are in here to teach you. In as much you're getting the vibe, some say, oh, they like the way he talks. Some say, oh, I think he's saying the truth. I think, irrespective of what, if you just give it a try. I know you'll be thinking, should I try it? Should I try it? Give it a try. There's no harm in trying. Give it a try. I'm not asking you for this to drop money for me because I dropped. It's not a crime. Give it a try. Buy the recipe on your own and give it a try. I get to know. My only consign that, please buy the right recipe. Otherwise, your name is sorry. So for your name not to be sorry, only congratulations will be here. So buy the right recipe, irrespective of any DIY you want to do. Please buy the recipe. This skin is very, very too beautiful for you to destroy. I can show you some people, some face. See the lady's face on the screen now, right now. You see what lotions, cream do. And these people, there are some side of this country that they love, even if they are dark as hell, they want to bleach. They want to bleach. And when you want to bleach, you not go buy expensive cremated bleach. Some lady was asking me, I heard that they say this is no limit lotion, 5,000 naira. I said, oh mother, please go and buy it now. It's very good. Yes, no limit lotion, 5,000 naira. A lotion that is sold for over 20 something to 30 something above. Some people will sell it 50. Now they say you see am 5,000 naira. No, now go buy and make you use. You understand? and don't branch this shop again and ask us if where they said that no limit 5,000 naira. That was what I explained to the person. So guys, I have said, they said a small is enough for the wise. A small is enough for the wise. So don't be a victim, be a victor.